take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium cloth seat trim, GVWR, 9,300 pounds, 4218 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player and with trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.